town. They have this one right here. And they have those. I have not touched any of this stuff so far. And then there's the cereals. So let's start here. Let's see what kind of food they have today. You're gonna get your napkin, fork, knife. I think everything is the same stuff again, like the other day. I think it's in here. Oh yeah, I ate that yesterday. I like that kind of hash brown. It's so delicious. I see this yesterday.
Do you have any French toast?
I like some yogurt. I like the banana yogurt. It was delicious yesterday, banana yogurt. This is some fruit station right here. Banana, grape. The orange is pretty good yesterday. This is my breakfast. We got this. While I'm eating my breakfast, that's my view right there on this side. A lot of ship, boat, the mountain over there. After I eat, I'm here to order coffee. They say it's very delicious coffee. I see a lot of like the Chinese drinking tea and matcha latte, hot coconut, hot chocolate. I'm gonna try espressos, ice, latte to see how good it is.
They have an espresso machine?
They have espresso machines so big. And those are alcohol. This is iCoffee, cappuccino. This is iCoffee. Thank you so much.
Arjun, give me your card.
This is good.
Give me your
this
card.
is really good. From the coffee, I'm gonna go over here to look at the other boat closely. Because early, you guys see it from my balcony.
Because he asked me if it's safe to walk.
People are going now to where they're supposed to go.
I thought they were bringing just gave like
On the sea day, all this area is so busy because, you know,
oh, that's right.
Mexico flat. Is that Mexico flat? Because you have nowhere to go. It's busy. Everybody's sitting here. But when you dock and you inland, people want to go look. Look, we have a friend. Hey, friend. Oh, that's not Mexico flat. Hello, my friends. Lhasa boat. Hello, good morning. And then those are king. Those are where you see when I was having a breakfast early. I see another friend and another friend standing there.
Don't look at that.
1, 2, 3. Change the pose. Change karo.
Okay, let me go back to my room.
Look at me.
Then I prepare myself to go down the street. Oh, this is a very strong coffee. Cappuccino. I add some more sugar to it, but it's still strong. very, very strong. I think they want people to go out, but they close the, you know, the smoking areas. How dare them? That boat is going fast. Hola, ¿cómo está? And that boat you can see early going slow. Yeah. Fisherman. This is my ending. I mean, I can go over there. This is employees. They have this too. If I didn't show you on the other video, here they are. Oh, this one have wheelchair. I never knew that this thing have wheelchair. I mean wheel, not wheelchair, but wheel. Look at those tall animals. You see elephant. You see what else? Can you guess the rest? Because I don't know what are they. Oh, I see gold. I don't know if that's monkey or not. You can play with this. I mean, I'm not gonna play because I will lose. I like chat, but I pay different way. I pay like the one that Thailand people pay, not the Americans. Over here, I want to show you guys the gyms because I did not get to show you guys the gym. Okay, let's go to the gym real quick, young man. In the gym, they have bathroom for women and men. And this kid are good kid. Why they good? Because they go exercise. And they have sport and everything. And then they have yoga. Here is the album. Inside here, they could do their yoga. And here, lots of machine. Lots of machine. They have towel for you to use. Some water. And here, you still have your good view when you come here. The closest areas. Why? I don't know. This is the other side of the view. Should be not used. Professional use only. And this is the quiet for the people. Quiet pool for the people, I think. The renovation. Here's your view on the other side. From the gyms. I don't use gym. But I do go walk though. My friend John, he see me walking during my break time, lunchtime. Okay, I'm gonna go out to the top roof. The renovation of the spa for the like VIP, those expensive people use. Here's the time. This is for the kid. When you have kid, you could bring your kid here. And then you go do your thing. They watch the children for you. Good morning. That's where the children at. I'm in deck 11. And this is where we came and look at the, everybody came here for like a member. They look at the Golden Gate Bridge. Everybody can come here and celebrate. Oh, Mexico is hot. Right now, it's not 10 o'clock, but it's 78 already. 78 degrees. The front of the boat, they change it to Mexico flag. When you back to the America, they change it to USA flag. If I go this way, maybe you guys can see the Mexico flag. Flatbed, fat. How you pronounce F-L-A-G?
Yeah.
I just know how to spell, but cannot say very good. My English no good. Hola, Mexico. It's not too windy out here.
So some people were saying that when the Luminosa goes to dry dock, that they're hoping Carnival puts a whale tail on her, because right now she doesn't have it. But if you guys look at the radiance, it has that whale tail right there, right? So hopefully when she goes to dry dock, they put one, because a lot of people, they like seeing that whale tail on their Carnival ships.
I thought that like all of them have a whale tail. I did not know until today.
Yeah, so this one was bought by Carnival, and so it hasn't been fully renovated.
Ah.
And they were saying that they were able to paint the Carnival color on the exhaust pipe right there, but they didn't fully make the whole whale tail.
Yeah, I think it's because like so this is last time they used this ship, right?
Yeah, so they're just gonna finish off this year, and I think she goes to dry dock early next year.
I see.
All right,
I came back from my drinking and look, he cleaned up so fast and make us, what is this? I don't know what is this. Good morning, what are you? But so cute, right? The bed is clean, and he, oh, look at those people. And then he already closed it so it's not too hot. Hi people, where you guys going? You need hat, okay? Make sure you guys bring sunblock and hat. Very hot on the top open. Have fun, have fun. Hello, Luminosa. I have steak taco and shrimp taco. Let's eat. I put extra spicy. Mmm. So good. Oh, so spicy. Let's try the steak. So good, so good. Thank you, bye-bye. This is lunchtime. And then that's barbecue. I saw barbecue, but I haven't tasted one yet so far. This food or lunch food, they have this. And then they have the pork, which is this. And they have chicken, which is this. And then they have these three items right here. This is bean. This is all the sauces. This is mac and cheese. I'm gonna jump into the pool. Oh, jump to the pool on your own risk. Oh, so warm. I like it, so warm. Jacuzzi is so warm. It's not hot. I think it's warm. It's better than the shower. When I showered earlier, it was so cold. The whole jacuzzi to myself. Oh, I forgot to take out my wash. Let me take out my watch. It's waterproof, but I don't know how bad. This is my silver from my dad. This is my jewelry from my best friend. She went to New York. My feet. My happy feet. I went outside and I came back, ate lunch, and now I'm in jacuzzi. Oh yeah, you can see it, see? She's still there waiting. This is big spring roll. And over here is, what is that?
broccoli cheddar soup.
Okay. At home, the spring roll do not look like this. This is
That's not a
boiled steak. This is chicken wings. Banana pie.
Cocktails.
is so good. They walk by so fast.
My apologies for interrupting some conversations. I'd like to welcome you all back to the Villa restaurant, and we hope that.
Baby. Good job, baby. Good job. Hi, I'm going to a comedy show in Blackfield, so I have to go there one more. Start at 11, we go open 10:30.
Vous avez le soin ensemble.
Here I am in the theater, Christine over here. This is Jeff Shaw. He's very funny. He in American Got Talent, season 15. We cannot record him, but he talk, but here he is.